this could be a huge game changer, and I know that YouTubers say this often, and I might be slightly exaggerating, but hopefully I'm not. Anthropic just released Claude in Chrome, which basically is a Chrome extension that allows you to automate stuff in your browser. This is my first time playing around with it. I mean, I started recording before I even started messing around with it. I just installed it, and I kind of wanted to do like more of a streaming style video, exploring the solution, and we will test this together. Hopefully, if it sucks, you guys know to skip it, and if it's amazing, we will find out about this together. Let's see what they write in the blog post. So speed up everyday tasks with Claude and Chrome, pull metrics from analytics dashboards, organize files in Google Drive, prepare and plan for your calendar, compare products across sites, log sales to your CRM, etc., etc. Obviously, they add many safety caveats, disclaimers, some FAQ, and basically what we are going to do, we added this to Chrome. As you can see, it's over here, and let's just start messing around with this. Let's see. First task, go to Google and find influencers in the direct-to-consumer space based in the US. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it opened a new group, find D2C influencers. It gives me a plan. Google, navigate to Google, search for direct-to-consumer influencers US or similar queries, review search results to identify influencers and resources in the direct-to-consumer space, compile information about top US space. Let's approve the plan and let's see what happens. Hands-free, obviously. Open Chrome, open Google nicely. Now it's supposed to type. It took a screenshot, added the query. Now it's going to, as we can see here, it clicks. We can also ask it to notify us. Let's see if it does work. Okay. We can stop Claude over here. It basically is controlling my browser, but let's see what is going to be the output. Research, finding detailed information. Claude wants to navigate to a certain website. Let's allow. Very nice. So far, so good. Let's allow. This kind of looks similar to the MCP that I have over here, which is called Browser MCP, which basically is built on top of Playwright, or at least is a fork of Playwright, which allowed me to take what I wanted to automate, to have like browser automation using Claude Code, and then instead of spinning an instance in a headless browser or a browser that isn't logged in using Playwright or Selenium or whatever, this extension MCP allowed me to connect to my own Chrome with all my logins, and then it was more valuable because when you're already logged in, you can do stuff that you cannot do via incognito or when logged out. Let's keep on doing this. Page not found. So it doesn't necessarily mean that it is not working, but it's rather slow, which makes sense because I believe I need to find more research about this. Let's always allow. I need to find research about this and see what are the scores that this is yielding. But basically, I believe that the flow is they enter a website, take a screenshot, understand what is the text, where are the buttons, and based on this, they make the next move. So based on my research, here's like the bottom line. Based on my research, here's a comprehensive list of top influencers and leaders in the direct-to-consumer space. Okay, it wasn't too comprehensive. Basically, it found this blog post, and I think it's probably kind of scraped it. Let's try a different task. Let's come over here. Let's say go to Rospig. Rospig is my website. And stress test the login, the sign up page. This could be like a different use case of front-end testing and front-end automation. Navigate to RASPig and locate the sign-up page, identify form fields and validation rules, perform stress testing by submitting various invalid inputs, empty fields, special characters, extremely long strings, SQL injection attempts, etc. Test edge cases and boundary conditions, document any vulnerabilities or issues found. So this could be valuable and this could be cool. Let's see what it does. It goes to RASPig, this is the website. Took a screenshot, accessing the sign up page, sign in. Oh, this is already logged in. This is not the correct. The thing is, I'm already logged in with this specific user. Let's try to cancel this. Okay, this is part of streaming live, quote unquote. Let's try something else. We can try a website that isn't mine. Let's say, let's do the same with Klaviyo. Let's see. Maybe Klaviyo has maybe they have Cloudflare, etc. anti-bot detection, but let's try. Went to Klaviyo, or however you pronounce it, Klaviyo or Klaviyo. Okay, so we will test this for actually front-end testing. We did the test of just random information extracting the direct-to-consumer stuff. Then I will probably test, perhaps we will test on X or LinkedIn, which could be interesting just to see if it can do browser automation for like cold outreach, engagement, etc. Okay, let's see what it does now. I don't want to expose any of my passwords, so let's skip this. Yeah, I will skip this and I won't try another one, but I guess we got the gist. Might be interesting. I will dive deeper into this and make a follow-up video, but let me think about maybe going to X. Can you go to x.com, find Anthropic's recent post and like it. Let's see. Let's see if it knows how to handle the pop-up. It took the screenshot, so it probably will handle the pop-up. Yeah, it closed it. Now it is supposed to go to search. Okay, very nice. Pretty accurate. This could be very interesting if we can automate social interaction. Yes. Okay, very interesting. This is very, very interesting. Perfect. I can see that the like has been successfully registered. The heart icon is now filled with red. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, it means that it did successfully completed. Let's see if they published any research about this. Let's just ask it. Did Anthropic publish any research about their new Claude Chrome extension in terms of accuracy? It's basically a browser automation tool with the brain of Claude, operated by Claude. Let's see what they find. Could you please complete your question research on topic 1? Basically, I'm asking about the accuracy, if there is any research about the accuracy. Let's see if it finds this. So far, it has been feeling pretty accurate. Take the screenshot. I wonder if it can work. I guess I'm not sure if it can work when I'm on a different tab that is open. I don't think it can. Let's see. It keeps on asking for many permissions. Okay, I think we will start wrapping it up. I just wanted to show this new extension, which seems very exciting. I haven't stress tested it yet. I just wanted to share this quick first impression video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, keep on automating.